A small group of beekeepers from Europe were excited to learn that while Tobago has European honeybees, there are also two types of stingless honeybees that are indigenous to the island. They were introduced to the bees while on a beekeeping safari. This niche tourism business opportunity is facilitated by Gladstone Solomon. Mrs. Solomon has hosted 13 beekeeping safaris since the year 2000. This unique tourist experience provides visitors with the opportunity to tour various apiaries around the island. They also visit the usual tourist attractions like Fort King George, the Mystery Tombstone, and the Buku Reef. The visitors on this tour were pleased with their experience.
We've had a good introduction to the normal tourist route, but also the speciality of beekeeping and meeting local beekeepers. And that's been wonderful to meet people and see how they actually live and work and share the same experience, the same pleasure that I have with bees.
We know that beekeepers are nice people. We know that from home. But here they have been so welcoming and so patient in showing us their bees and their methods of work and answering all our stupid questions sometimes. And that's what I want to continue doing. I want other beekeepers from the UK to come here and not just experience a beach holiday or a rest, but to communicate with other beekeepers.
Mrs. Solomon is the only beekeeper from Tobago who's a trustee of Bees for Development, the organization that coordinates the beekeeping safaris. The international organization uses beekeeping as a sustainable way to reduce poverty in communities around the world. Mrs. Solomon says that apiculture tourism helps Tobago stand out among the rest in the Caribbean.
Tobago needs to position its tourism product in a way that's slightly different to sun, sea, and sand. I think currently we use the catch term Tobago Beyond. Beyond. Well, in that beyond, we're going to add a E. So it's BEE, beyond. And really, in the Caribbean, Tobago and Trinidad is the only place that this beekeeping safari is offered. So it's really a sort of exclusive holiday.
The group also visited apiaries and tourist sites in Trinidad. Mrs. Solomon hopes that the Twin Island beekeeping holiday creates lasting memories for the visitors.
What I particularly try and sell, I say, listen, my personal desire is for each of you to have some personal memory of Tobago, so that when the cold start to bite you, you can study Sunshine Tobago. Study the couple of minutes that you may have been relaxing in the rainforest or in an island pool or in a apiary or something. Have some little special moment. And I think that sells.
A beekeeping vacation is just one more reason to visit Tobago. This tourist adventure leads to more opportunities for the local beekeeping industry as well as the tourism sector. I'm Omodara Mills for Let's Talk Tobago.